Okay, Sal, so this is yours. This is for your fourth generation 4Runner. The slats are copied here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay this over the sheet metal and I'm going to start cutting the sheet metal. Okay, so this is for Sal. And this one is for his fourth generation 4Runner. They all look alike because they are the same design. So the slats are on. They're not welded. They're just mocked on. And then tomorrow after work, I'm gonna start drilling holes in there. Okay, so now this is how it looks like. It's been dimpled. They're all dimple plated. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finalize cleaning up all the dimple plates here, and then I'm gonna tack it in, and then I'm gonna weld it. Okay guys, so they look like twins. So this is for a fourth generation 4Runner and so on. So let's open this one up. This one is for a guy. He is a buddy of mine. And let's see. That's you, Sal. So
rừng đi mò tan lo nhỏ ý lên cụ lù chết xe to cụ lù cầm bao của cha có chi bó cụ bao tia có gió chi ta lo khi này nọ chưa mua ý đâu sơ cha mà nó cụ nhỏ ý lên cụ đã chỉ lo họ cha chỉ sống cụ lù xe cho chỉ tao có gió cây lưu kia muốn gió có từ lò gặp giật cây lưu nhau buồn chua xe
Okay guys, so she's painted, she's drying. It's dry enough to the touch, but the paint's still very soft, and being that my fingers was dusty, these are just dust prints. So the legs are cleaned with acetone, and I'm gonna mount this thing on, show you how it looks like. This is how I prep the frame. Grind the frame to bare metal on this side and the other side, and then weld it on. That's what you do. Okay, Sal, this is how your baby looks like. You can see there, the kick out is pretty awesome. The way it kicks out any rocks that's going to hit your rear fender. And it just guides the rock to where your tire is. It's really beautiful. And there is a slight flex upward, deflection. This is how your bad boy is going to be mounted. It's going to be welded on. So being that you lifted your body, the mount went way up, which is okay. It looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna start welding this in. This is how the bad boy looks from this view. Okay, let's look at the rear. It's really beautiful. See, it's like a little wing. There. It's really nice. Alright guys, so as always, this is my maiden test. So what I like to do when I do my test is I want to make sure that this Rockslider is strong enough to support the weight of your car. And in my experience, there's times when I'm in the field and if I need to lift my front tire up, I can do so by using the outer side of the rail here with a high lift jack underneath, and it'll lift the front of the car up or the rear. So this is my test. So the aim here is to lift this front wheel up where it's free spinning. So let's see. Okay. And doors open, 2-finger apart, rear door open, and a little finger more, 2 fingers up more to the
rừng đi mò ta lo nhỏ đi lên cụ lù trên xe to cụ lù cầm bao của cha có chỉ bỏ cụ bao tia có gió chỉ ta lo